I'm here. I made it. Alive. What's happening? Welcome in. Welcome in. Stuart, my man. How you doing? Very nice. Yeah, we made it. I'm a little bit early today because I want to catch the opening candle. I want to watch it. A tiny bit early. I guess early is 1 minute is considered early, right? But I want to see what's going to happen. Yeah, we're doing good. How's the trading going? Not looking too bad. That's right. That's right. All right, cool. Lockdown? Oh, perfect day. Excellent. I like to hear that. That's good, my friend. That is a good sound. The bell is off and we are open. Let's do this. A little bit of a delay there. What's going on, Algo? Good to see you, my friend. Good conversations. Good conversations. Yeah, I definitely want to learn some stuff from you, Algo. That's you blew my mind today, dude. I didn't even know it was possible. There's the bell. There's the opening. Yeah. We are here. There it goes. See what happens in options today. Doing my giveaway, Bullinox account giveaway tomorrow. Wow, look at them. NQ melting. Faking it out. Faking it out. Second mouse? Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, I'm hoping for a second mouse strat. I used to trade the opening NYSE candle, but as you can see, it bounces like crazy, dude. Yeah, so that can really eat up your drawdown. Yeah, exactly. Yep, exactly. That's right, Stuart. What's up, TikTok? How's it going? What's going on? Another day on the charts. What is happening, Graph? My 300th subscriber has arrived. Mr. Graph himself. What's happening, my dude? Good to see you. Let's see. What am I trying to do? Yeah, I'll go. So for me, I have very specific conditions, very specific setups. I have 3 very specific setups, right? And I wanna figure out a way to use those 3 setups. You don't remember, Graph? I remember. Or maybe you subbed and then you unsubbed. You want 100 sub on every 100? Yeah, here you go. We'll do this. We'll do this. I remember it was 7 days ago. Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going? That's what I remember. Remember, I was like, what's Pointus Pointus? Who's Pointus Pointus? And you're like, that's me. How was your 300 sub? I'm like, oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. Oh, you subbed on 2 accounts? Oh, okay. Well, either way, in the Beninging, you subbed, and I appreciate that. I appreciate the sub in the Beninging. All right, let's see. What's UAL doing? Sold another UAL contract yesterday. It's already made some money, but that doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter until it, yeah, see a gold. Holy crap. Jeez. Breakout on gold. If it closed about right where it is right now, that would be very good. Very good. But I don't think it's going to, and silver is kind of doing the same. So we will see. Make sure you guys show up to the option stream tomorrow. We're doing an account giveaway. It's only gonna be like 5 people here, which is fine, right? Just fine, totally fine. I want the right people to be able to win. Support on top of that gap. Yeah, start on Sunday Open. Yeah, I remember that. I actually traded that yesterday, you guys. I traded that gap on NQ and put 2,100 on the account. Yeah, you can't see it. It's off screen. It's up here. Let me do this real quick. Sorry, guys. Just one sec. Just want to see. Flash. Show off my winnings. Just don't want to show my account information. Okay. Sorry guys, give me a sec. Come on. All right. I'm gonna show this. What's up, Will? How you doing, my friend? Good to see you. Good to see you. PayPal's going up. SMCI's going up. That's what I want to see. Yeah, I can't recall. Less people, better for me. Yeah, no, that's fine, Graph. I totally get that. No, I totally get that. Yeah, because then you're not competing with a bunch of people to win an account. You know, and I don't want some random miss getting an account. Yeah, sounds good. We left before that yesterday? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I was going to show you. I was playing around. This account right here is basically my test account. This is an account that I do all my tests on. My real account, which I got yesterday, is my Top Step account. Which, well, okay, let me back up. I went back to Top Step, and I traded it yesterday. Okay, and I'm really annoyed. I set my daily loss limit to 750. And it moved against me so hard and so fast, that's what she said, that it not only hit my 750 stop loss, but went beyond it and closed at 1300. So I was pretty upset about that. I was frustrated. What's up, Tim? I was frustrated by that. I put my stop loss at 750, and because it slipped me so fast and so it slipped me fast and hard. There you go. I got fucked. I basically got fucked, right? So it's like now it's at negative 1300. I'm like, I was so mad. So when I look at this account, I'm trying to show you. When I look at this account, it makes me feel better. There, you see that there in the top. When I look at this account, I feel better. Missed 2 setups this morning. Yeah. So yeah, I got slippage. But yeah, how you doing, Tim? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What's up, Dean? Good, doing good, man. Doing good. So I gotta read to you. So I went into Top Step. I went into their little chat box, and I was annoyed, right? I was really annoyed. So this is what I said. You guys are gonna laugh. I said, it's like, hi, I'm Wendy. I'm here to help you, blah, blah, blah. So I said, I set my PDLL to liquidate and block me at negative 750. It slipped through that, and now my account shows negative 1300. Why did this happen? Which I kind of knew the answer already, but I was like, can you correct it? It shouldn't have slipped no further than 750. And it's like, oh, due to slippage, market conditions cause orders to execute, blah, 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 when your personal account limit, blah, 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 blah. right? I'm sorry to hear that you're feeling this way. This is an AI bot telling me this. And it's like, I'll do my best to assist you in any way I can. So I replied, what are you gonna do? You already told me no to what I asked for. Oh, sorry, sir, but it's against our policy to give you what you're looking for. We hope that you find it in your heart to forgive us. And if you could do us a favor, please pull your wallet back out and try again. We would appreciate that. Thank you and have a nice day. That's what I said to Top Step. Because I was just frustrated. So frustrated. I was frustrated that it slipped me over $750. Stupid. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, I know. I'm a fool. I'm just tired of being robbed, you know, in life. Life is a scam, dude. Life is a scam. I've said that a lot now, and it's true. Life's a scam. It really is. Jobs, companies, businesses, food, gas, all of it. It's a scam. Clip that. That's why I'm so anti-scam. I'm anti-mentorship. I'm anti-course. Because I'm sick of that shit. And I know you guys are too. Life is a scam. That's right, Tim. Yeah. Yeah. So, I don't know. I just feel like everybody's out to screw you. And I know that's very pessimistic. But I'm just jaded. I've been promised too much and under-delivered. The world has under-delivered. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Graph. I try to do right by people, you know? I try to do right by people, and I try to put my best foot forward all the time. And it never really comes back to benefit in the way that I'm looking for. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining, right? I'm very thankful for what I have. You know, you guys who know Shibby, he's in a very rough situation right now in real life. And so I guess he's dealing with a scam as well in a way, but I'm definitely not complaining. Like, I'm very thankful for what I have. I just want more. I want more. I'm willing to work hard for more. And then when you work hard for more and you bring a ton of experience to the table and it's still not enough. I don't know. It just feels like a scam to me. Yeah, I agree, Graph. I agree. I hope he's able to get his family out. The rough situation. One of our friends, or nobody who knows, in the mentorship group, he and his family live in Iran. He's a good dude, and he's gone through a lot lately. He's just trying to raise a family and escape a very, very bad situation. I was like, man, I wish I could send him some money and help him out, but I'm pretty sure it's illegal for me to send him anything because of the two countries. It'd be like treason, which I'm not going to commit treason, you know? That would be bad. You know, I can't help the guy out. What's going on, Morgan? Hey, you're here. You made it. I know it's late and you're ready to sleep, but you're here. Welcome. We're going to give a little shout out to Morgan real quick because she made it. Morgan made it. See if we can get ourselves an NQ play or maybe gold. I don't see anything on ES or silver. Yeah. No, I appreciate it, Morgan. I know it's tough. I wanted to bring the stream back earlier, but I don't know. It's not a great time on my side. Shout out to Morgan. Yeah, if you guys do exclamation SO and then put a person's name, you'll get the command there. You had to get your crew fixed. I read that this morning. I thought that was hilarious. NQ. Ooh, I like what NQ's doing. Second mouse strat on NQ. We're gonna go down to choose charts. We're gonna watch NQ and gold. Look at the NQ having a melt. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Stay down there. Don't come back up yet. Gold is doing, might be pretty overextended on gold. Pretty overextended. It's all green from support. Yeah, daylight savings. I don't even know. I can't keep track of it. Right now it's 9:45 where I'm at. 9:45 in the morning. You have standard time in Queensland. I don't know if you're talking to her or me. I don't know, but close gap on NQ. Yeah. Yep. There's also wick fills. You should learn about wick fills. Not only gap closures, but wick fills. Good pullback. I'm doing a giveaway, a Bull and Ox account giveaway tomorrow on stream. You don't want to miss it. I'm giving away one Bull and Ox account tomorrow on the last trading day for my option stream, and then I'm giving away another one on Monday, the first one next week. And if you want the information on that, here, I'm going to put an order in. I like what NQ did. We're going to put an order in. Let's go heavy. This is my test account, so it's fine. Gold might have a reversal here. MQ is prepping. Yeah. In the Discord, if you want to learn more about the giveaway, check that out. All right, I'm going to give this some room here. I might get top ticked, but it is what it is. Still testing this strat. Okay, that's the Discord. I don't know why I just said that, but I did. There you go. Okay, and then on TikTok. Choppy, yeah. What's up, Seal? Seek, good to see you, my friend. One of the original OGs of the stream. Good to see you. Doing good. Got to run, but you'll rewatch. I appreciate the rewatch. Yeah. Hey, Discord. I'm gonna start calling it Discord. Oh God. Oh. You guys want to see painting real quick while I'm waiting for this? I like to consider this one of the ones I worked the hardest on. I should probably do it like this. I went back and watched the things where I show off the paintings, and I'm like, wow, you can't even see it. It's in the corner. So let's do it like this. There you go. How about that? Does that picture make you feel cold? Does it make you feel cold? Yeah. This one took me a while, dude. This one took me a while. Yeah. Had some fun with it, though. Creating depth with these cliffs was a challenge. Yeah, it makes you want to go camping. Yeah, this looks like a nice cold camping trip. Yeah, thanks, appreciate it. I like to show you guys these. The colors are kind of weird because I have blue and orange lights here, but I mean, I guess the painting is kind of blue and orange. Yeah. No, I appreciate it. Yeah, it's just for fun. It's just for fun. I like to show these off. So, yeah. That's cool. No, I appreciate it. Bob Ross. To be honest with you, I've been watching Bob Ross since I was 4 years old. And he's inspired me. And it's interesting that you bring up Bob Ross, because here's what I like about Bob Ross. He didn't sell anybody anything. He painted for free on stream. He did a 30-minute painting and said, you can do it too. And then he took the painting and he gave it away. He made money through brands selling paintbrushes and all that, right? And CBS or whatever paid him, but he never charged his viewers. He never had a course. He never had a mentorship. He showed up and said, you can do it too, take it or leave it. That's what I'm trying to do in trading. Bob Ross is an inspiration for me, not only in painting, but in life, and how he treated his audience. That's That's gold for me. That's what I'm trying to do. So there you go. Bob Ross, legend. Yeah. So anyways, there's my inspiration. Holy crap, NQ. What are you doing, dude? Melted. That's my inspiration for... I want to leave behind a legacy, and Bob Ross is a legend, right? He left behind the legacies. Yeah. Oh, I know, and they were really good to fall asleep too. All right. I guess this did not work out. I mean, you could still flip. If it flipped, whew, that'd be good. That would be a happy little accident. Wow, look at it. Melting here. It's crazy. Gold's doing what I wanted on NQ. But I don't do that with... The second mouse strat, I've never really thought it would work on gold. Gold's a different animal. Gold's a different animal. So in the Discord, if you look, there's a section called... Or look in the announcements section. Look in the announcements section for information on the giveaway, which I might pull up real quick just for everybody. In fact, I will, while we're waiting for NQ to make a decision. All right, here. So here's the giveaway information. Tomorrow we're giving away a 50K account, which is going to be live during the stream. No catch, no requirements. All you have to do is show up. Just show up and get your bull and ox ready. That's all you have to do. Because I'm going to reveal a one-time code on screen. The first person to enter that code gets the account. You go in where you're going to actually get an account and you use the code that I give you. First person that gets it. You don't need to do anything. No DMs, no whatever. Like, none of this, hey, do this for me bullshit. Like, just show up and have a chance to win the account. But I need you to read this real quick. This is important stuff. You only get the account for free for 1 month. 1 month. You have to pass it or blow it. If you don't, Bull and Ox will recharge you full price after the first month. What's going on, Biblical? How are you doing? Good to see you. If you hit your profit target, you pass it, it converts to a master, and then you have to pay for the activation, just like anyone else. It's an option 1 account, and Project X is no longer supported by Bull and Ox. If you already have Project X, you have until the end of February. Otherwise, it's rhythmic. So, I don't sell courses, I don't sell mentorships, and I don't sell signals. So here you go. Check that out in the Discord if you are interested. Yeah, that's it. No Hawk Tua. No. Hawk Tua. Yeah. No rug pull. Technically, you're buying the account for free. I know that sounds weird, but that's kind of how the Bull and Ox looks at it. You're going in there to buy an account, in a way. When you put that code in there, it will either say invalid because somebody else has grabbed it, or you'll get it. If you put the code in and it doesn't work, don't proceed with buying the account. Unless you want to use this code right here, which is my 83% discount code. Good to see you, Dean. Thanks for coming in. Appreciate stopping in. Yeah, I appreciate when you guys jump in real quick, leave a few comments, like on the way out, and call it a day. It's good to see you. Appreciate you showing up. Ciao. Yeah, so my goal is to pull my Top Step account out of drawdown now. Unnecessary drawdown. $1,300 in drawdown right after I get the account. It's ridiculous. Yeah, that's good, Stuart. Locked out, yeah. I had a good day on this account yesterday. I put like 2,100 on this account yesterday, which is one of the bigger trades I've done. But when I traded the top step, of course, this is my test account. When I traded the top step, which I want to eventually get a payout from, guess what happens? I appreciate the follow, B-Rad. Welcome in. Welcome to the crew. Been plugging away slowly. Outdoorsman, appreciate the follow. Welcome to the crew. Been plugging away slowly at your top step. Yeah, you made 770 today. Nice, during London and locked out. You can't ask for more than that. That's sick. I love it. Overthinking must be an issue. I think what happened, it's possible, Graph. I think what happened was I set my daily loss limit at 750. And the problem with that is that it gives the trade no room to breathe. So it came down, and instead of it breathing into it, it triggers the lockout, basically. Well, when it did that, it slipped at all the way to 1,300. Just learning any tips about when to buy, please help. I would say you're doing everything you can right now. You're here. You can learn. I'm basically trading price action. So you can learn price action from, I would recommend asking AI how to learn price action, and then show up to the stream. I stream every single day. And you'll see when I buy and when I sell. That's my best advice. You're already here. Yeah, time for another real sell puts. Exactly. Yeah, I sold UAL puts yesterday, and I put 380 bucks in the account. Yeah, I hate getting slipped. Pisses me off. I really hate it. Yeah, sounds good, B-Rad. Welcome in, by the way. Welcome in. Welcome to the crew. I'm also streaming on YouTube, so you can see more of it on YouTube. And I got a whole library of content. Check out some of my shorter videos, and you'll kind of see how I trade. And that'll give you an idea what to expect. I follow one and done regardless. Yeah, if win or loss, otherwise you go full tilt. I've been there, Morgan. I have full tilted for sure. Absolutely. I've done it for sure. I have absolutely done it. All right. I guess NQ is not reversing today. So we might get a play on gold instead. I like what gold is doing. If this can close, if this gold candle right here, this red one can close small red like a hammer, small red hammer, we'll be looking at ourselves a potential trade. Pirate life, yeah, that's right. A pirate's life for me. A pilot's life for me. Yeah. I'm here to plunder the gold. And we're chasing NQ and his partner, ES. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know, gold just seems to not be doing much. Welcome to the crew. It's Captain Pinkbeard. How's it going? Who was that? Welcome to the crew. Who was that? Shoot. What was the name? Shang? Sing? I can't say it. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Welcome to the crew. Shang Dara? Sing? Nikki needs to be here? Yeah. Oh, I'd like to see Nikki in. Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah, I wonder if Nikki would like my dumb accents. All I have to do is talk about four-wheeling and Nikki will show up. Sometimes she lurks in here. She'll come in and she'll lurk, and then I'll see later on Dan's stream that she's like, hey, you gotta go check out you gotta go check out this or whatever. And I'm like, dang, she was watching. Welcome to the crew. Maybe he is. What's going on, Nikki? How you doing? Are you here? She lurking? Is she lurking? Gold. Why is price action so terrible this week? Like, the best trades I've gotten this week have been post New York lunch. After, see, all the big market makers are at lunch, right? And they are, I've said this before, they're getting their soft drinks, not soft drinks, they're getting their cocktails, they're getting their drinks, and they're hitting on their side pieces before they come back to the stock exchange. And then they get their fix after lunch, right? And they come back and they trade the stock market and it dumps. All the volume picks up afterwards because they've got all the energy. I really want to buy one of those supermarket checkout dividers, but the cashier keeps putting it back. That's funny. Well, I think we'll see. Terrible price action today so far. You're in the Discord? Yeah, it's good, Algo. Watching on YouTube? Yeah. Gold is ass. I know, right? What am I supposed to do with that? Heading off, Stuart. Good to see you, man. Take care of yourself. Appreciate you being in. Yeah. Yeah, gold went crazy. Yeah. Be back. All right, graph sounds good. I can't leave. I'm stuck here. Yeah, if a nice little retest, little sell, but now, yeah, I know. I know. Get off, Morgan. No, I appreciate you being here for a little bit. Are you planning on being in tomorrow? Because you have a chance to win a Bullinox account if you're interested. I'd like you to be able to participate in that if you want. I could probably try and give that account away about now in the next stream. So about 30 minutes in. But as soon as I do, everybody's going to leave, right? I'm going to give the account away and then everybody's going to leave. Sounds good, Elvis. Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it within probably within 30 minutes or so. HTCI, not sure what that is. Is that is that a stock? TN capper? I haven't ever traded that before. Okay. No, I never traded that before. Right now we're just trading gold and NQ. Or at least trying to trade them. No, it's all good, Algo. It's all good. All good, my friend. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes I'll watch silver and, in fact, I might bring silver and ES back on screen since I'm not getting anything from the other two. Now, look at how, oh, that's NQ. Hang on. Yeah, silver and gold seem to, they trade similarly, and NQ and ES. She's trading similarly. I didn't get my second mouse strat today. It makes me mad. I wanted my second mouse strat on NQ. I'm actually off tomorrow, So I'll probably be able to stream a little longer tomorrow. If y'all want to hang out. I know it gets late for some people. Oh, appreciate the boxing gloves, B-Rad. Thanks, my friend. Yeah, no, I appreciate that. It's good stuff. Yeah, we'll see if we get ourselves a trade. I don't see anything for buys right now. Everything is red. Everything is red. Yeah, I would love to, I'd love to chat with you, Algo. I'm curious, man. You got my curiosity. I'm really curious, because you know what I want more than anything? I want my futures to fund my options. That's it. That's all I want. That's all I want. I want futures to fund the options, because options is my bread and butter. I can do so damn much with options. And futures, I literally sit here and stare at candles for hours. I'm like, right? So, I'm curious to what you got. I'm curious. To be honest with you, as long as, I mean, I've got 3 very specific setups, and if those 3 setups happen, yeah, no, I definitely believe in it. I'm definitely curious to see. I'd like to at least see it on, this is a test account. I'd love to see how it works on the test account, you know? Let's just see. Let's just see how it works. So, I'm just, I just want futures. If I could turn futures into passive income, that'd be sick. You know, instead of active. Good, excellent. Yeah, options to me, dude. Options is where it's at. I can do so much with options. And I love options. I love trading options. It's just, it's so much more satisfying. This is, to me, too much, for me, futures is too much like sitting at a table, right? Playing 21 cards. You know what I'm playing, right? I'm on TikTok, so I can't talk about those kind of games, because TikTok's stupid. So, that's what futures feels like. Feels like walking into that building and pulling the one-armed bandit. What's up, Chris? Good to see you, my friend. Welcome in. Welcome in. And so, I don't know. I want options to me feels, if options feels more earned. That's what I like. I like that feeling of earning it. This feels like guessing sometimes, you know? There's really no guessing on options. Either you know your stuff or you don't. And that's what I like. Now, some people would argue that with futures, but I don't know. I'm not sold on futures. I know how to trade them. I know how to trade futures, but you'll have a day like yesterday where I made 2,100 in this account and then lost 1,300 in the other account. I might as well have not even traded. You know, it's a 50-50 strategy sometimes. Yeah, so I don't know. That shouldn't have happened. Like I said, it happened because I got slipped, but still. Also, I'll admit, when it comes to futures, I'm not the world's best trader. I just show up every day and try and get better. That's all I do. I show up every day and try and get better at trading. Trading this. But man, it sucks a lot of life out of you. Futures can really suck the life out of you. I want to be freed from the Matrix. Not only that, but I want to... You guys ever seen Shawshank Redemption? Andy Dufresne? I feel like there's an analogy there that I really like. And this is how it goes. If you've ever seen Shawshank Redemption, it's very much like trading in this way. You go out into the yard and you're constantly sprinkling the dust from the wall of the hole that you've been digging in your room in plain sight. Nobody knows it, but you're doing it every single day, right? You're slowly digging a hole out of this prison cell that you live in and covering up at night. And then eventually you break through the wall and you're like, I'm free, but it's not time yet. So you go through the wall, you go outside, you go touch grass, but nobody knows you're a free man. Nobody. Because what do? You crawl back into your cell, you put the poster above the hole, you get back in bed, and then the guards the next morning, everything is normal. Well, guess what? You're already free. Nobody knows it. You've been working and chipping away at this for so long that you get to decide the day that you escape. And then the day that you do escape, when they come in the next morning and you're gone, they have no idea how it happened. That's what trading is, and that's what I'm shooting for. I think about that analogy all the time. All the time. To escape the prison cell known as the workforce. So there you go. I don't know if anybody else can relate. Slowly digging your way out. Man, these futures today suck. Price action's terrible. Come on, man. It's New York Stock Exchange. What's going on here? It's funny how on TikTok people jump in and then they just leave. I had two people asking questions and then they just leave. I answered the question. Your experience is more like The Hangover. Find yourself asking what just happened. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. That's a good one, Elvis. Yeah, that's a good one. I like what gold's doing, but it's too barcodey. A nice long bottom wick here, but now we have a new level there. It's really choppy to the left. It's ugly as hell. Look at to the left, it's not clean. See all this wicks and all this garbage? You gotta avoid all this stuff. You have to pay attention to what's going on the left side. You need clean price action. You need movements like this, where it moves nice and clean, right? You can't trade this junk over here. All these spikes, it's like Mortal Kombat. Fatality. Finish him. Flawless victory. Liu Kang, Johnny Cage, Sonya. Fight. Going for a small buy. Yeah, you might be able to scalp it. I just need more. I need more better. I need more better. It's just, ugh. This is one of those days where 0 to 2 trades per day. My goal is not to make the money in this account. My goal is to take the right trades. Because this account's currently up 1,600, which is nice, but this is a test account. So it's like, doesn't really count. Probably leave it, yeah. If the body stayed a little smaller, could have bought. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I agree, Will. Yeah. If this red right here would have closed as a hammer, then we would have taken a buy for sure. It would have been nice. Now we got a level down here. I guess we could wait here for an NQ. NQ might have a pullback here. I would like to see it. I'd like to see it pull back. It's not bearish or bullish. ES also about the same. So it's possible that it has a bit of a bounce here. But knowing NQ, it very well could just completely refill this whole range with one candle. And because we're past the second mouse strat, I can't take it that way. I can only do that on the first 2 candles. The first one, the institutional fake out, whatever you want to call it, and then it reverses. This here, if this candle closes something similar to what it's doing right now, but literally it just opened, then we can take the next one up. But you watch, either NQ is going to close super doji or red, or it's going to be a weak green. And if it's a weak green, I'm not buying it. Or it's going to be an extremely strong green and I'm going to miss the move completely. Yeah. Terrible. Terrible price action today. What are you going to do? Show up. Just show up every day. That's all I can do. Show up every day. What's up? Graph, how was your fix? Yesterday when we were talking about, yeah, I know, right? Yeah, when you had your fix yesterday, I was talking about it and then my TikTok got restricted. I'm pretty sure I can't talk about that subject. What? Why? Can't talk about it. So dumb. Yeah, I need to go on outside. Let me look. Dang, son. Oh, is that all? You did all that work? That's really cool. That's really cool. I like that. That's good work, man. I like that. You do a lot. They're all handmade. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Zero graffiti skills. Is that where you get your name? Graffiti. Did you hand make that guitar? That's sick, dude. Or you probably did the detailing on it. That's really cool. Oh, you did a aluminum foil ball? You're crazy. I bet that took forever. No, it looks good, man. Nice work. Nice work. Yeah, Algo, if you're if you're interested in doing something there, I don't know, I'd like to see it for myself first, if you're cool with that, and then I'll be able to jeez, I'll be able to back it. Yeah, hit those likes. I want to see what you're doing so I can back it, because I like. How many people here? You mean in the YouTube right now? Like live? Is that what you're asking? TikTok froze. Wow. TikTok froze. That was your original TikTok account doing graffiti. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, blow your mind. Yeah, I'm really curious. Really curious, Algo. I want to see what you can do, my friend. What is going on with TikTok here? Camera died on TikTok. What happened on TikTok? Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. Graph, you did the neck too. That's sick. My TikTok broken. The camera just completely died on TikTok. That's lame. That's so lame. The bobblehead made for your friend. That's cool. I like what gold is doing. If it can stay right there, or NQ, not gold, NQ. Stay right there, NQ. Don't go any higher. Stay right there. It's a perfect. This will be a damn near perfect trade if it stops right there. Stop. Create a little bit of a top wick, and we're in. Be a great reversal trade. I'll take it every single day. Stop moving. That's what I want. I want NQ to stop right there. That would be so good. Just chill, NQ. Just chill. Can't get my camera back on TikTok. It died. Yeah. Low volume. Well, it gives me a minute to try and fix this camera. It just doesn't work. Let me reset the camera real quick. Oh, got a new follower on Kick, but it's probably a scammer. We'll see. Camera's back on that, but not on this. It just doesn't work. Great, good job, TikTok. You crashed my camera. Yikes. Probably need to restart my TikTok. Yeah, you can have a clip button. You can clip me. When I say crazy stuff, you can clip it, Graph. Yeah. So if I ever say something crazy and you want to clip it, you can clip it. Or if we have a big moment or something. Like this. Look at this, NQ. Beautiful. Beautiful price action, NQ. Gold's not bad as well, but not great. You got W on gold. Nice, Will. Excellent. Yeah, I was thinking about taking it here, but I don't really need to take it. You know what I mean? Like I'm really shooting for, yeah, I'm shooting for A+ setups. If I take nothing but A+ setups, then it'll increase my win rate. So, but I was thinking about it. Oh, you cut that gold scalp. Sick. Nice, Elvis. Excellent. Yeah, look at it go now. Look at it go now. If it were to close small outside this range, NQ might present something here. So same with ES. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see what we get. Silver's got something going on too. We'll see which one looks the best of all four. This is why I like to watch more than one ticker, because the possibility of it one being slightly better than the other one. Silver looks better than gold right now. But then again, it's really choppy. Actually, silver looks clean to the left. Right there. So I'd be more interested in silver than probably... gold's not bad. No, it's overextending now. You gotta be careful when you're trading silver. Each contract is worth 5 times as much as gold. NQ, ES... looking pretty good and clean. Let's see if we get ourselves a proper trade. All four are looking interesting. If anybody wants to know how to trade price action, watch the next 3 to 4 minutes. I had to shut down the TikTok. My camera's broken. It doesn't work. Whatever. Come back to TikTok later. I like NQ right now better than ES because of the top wick. Silver and gold are really starting to show a bit of overextension. I'll probably take the NQ trade if it gives me a proper retest. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Don't just start green. Don't start green. Yeah, there we go, NQ. Good boy, NQ. All right, that's a good retest. Breaks the top wick. The other two aren't bad as well. But I like NQ the best. No proper retest on gold. We're gonna go a little heavier here. Come on. You bastard. Get in there. Man, that's annoying. It's supposed to combine them into 15. Wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Ah! Jeez. Fine, have it your way. Double tap on NQ. I like the double tap. Not the little bit of a larger top wick here. It's a pretty good setup. It's not perfect, but it's pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. I like it. I like it. I want to see what NQ can. What can NQ do for you? That's what I want to see. I want to see it. Gold just decided to leave. So if you caught something on gold there, that'd have been nice. But this structure was not. This was no real good price structure for me. So NQ's my baby. See what NQ can do. And overall, the trend is bullish. So I think I'm all right with that. See how it looks on the higher time frames. Looks pretty good on the 30. Not the best, but pretty good. Possible level right there. Might take partials right there. How's it look on the 1 hour? Looks freaking amazing on the 1 hour. Yeah, there's a 1 hour level right there. So that's where we're gonna take partials, is right there at that line. I'm actually gonna move this down here so I remember.
Order filled.
I'm in. Okay, let's switch to just one ticker here. We're in. We're in. 15 contracts. Probably close 13 at that green line right there. So I'm going to put in an order for a limit sell of 13. Let's do... We'll do partials, break even. NQ, beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. This is a gorgeous looking trade. Just look at this trade, you guys. Look at this trade. Oh, you can't ask for a better reversal on NQ during the New York Stock Exchange. Look at this. I got a setup here where we're going to close partials at a 1 hour resistance. Hopefully it punches right through. Then I will move to break even, and it is a risk-free trade. This is how you trade price action on NQ. This is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. This is one of my favorite trades right here. Right here. Right here. That's it right there, man. Let's do this. Yeah, beautiful, Tim. 55 ticks already? This is insane. Don't come back. Don't come back. Don't come back to break even. 300 ticks is a bit much. We'll do about 200. And then we'll just chase it from there. We'll do that. Here we go. Here we go, gents. This is what I wish I was doing in my top step right now. Third trade of the week. Yeah. Oh, come on. I might actually go a little bit low that line. Sometimes it doesn't quite hit that exact line. It comes a little bit below. There we go. 13. Thank you. Shoot, I could just close the whole thing right now and freaking make a ton. I could also scale out. Secure profits. Alright, well, if it comes up, I'm going to bring this down just a touch more. If it comes back and breaks its own top wick, we'll close 13 contracts. That is a 1 hour resistance right there. So it's probably bouncing off that 1 hour's resistance. Don't come back to break even, you bastard. I hate when this happens. Don't come back to break even. Get out of here. Go. It's a perfect setup. Damn near. A+ setup. Don't come back. Don't come back. I'm also going to set this up that if, let's see, we'll close 50% contracts down here if it managed a loss, basically. Managing loss. Come on, dude. Come on, NQ. Smash it. Smash that limit sell at 13. Where's the bacon? Bacon, bacon. Get the bacon out. Bacon, bacon. Bacon, bacon. Bacon. All right, NQ. There you go. There you go, my dude. Bacon strat on screen. I've had bacon. I got the bacon out in a while. It's fresh. It's a big bacon. Come on, NQ. Oh! Yes, sir! Bacon strat wins again. The bacon strat did it again. Yes. Now we are at break even, my friends. We are at break even. The bacon strat crushed it. Crushed it. Oh, the bacon strat never fails. Woo! That's sick. Oh, my limiter is working on my microphone. Honestly, I don't even really care about the win. I just care that the bacon strat did so good. I'm actually going to bring this into profit a bit. We'll go 50. It'll probably hit that, but whatever. Whatever. Oh, see how I found that 1 hour resistance? And there you go. And it bounced off that 1 hour resistance. Done, you guys. Done. Just bagged like another 1,000 in the account. I wish it was real. That's my test account. I would have loved to bag that on the top step. Ah, there's a perfect freaking setup. Beautiful. Taking all the way to the top? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I decided to bag the profit. Oh, man. Man. Beautiful trade, you guys. Oh. So satisfying. So satisfying. So, I'm going to say what I always say after a big win. Lock out. Even though it's my test account. Whatever. The fact that I was able to actually get a good trade with the bacon strat. Graph, I don't know if you've ever seen, but every time I pull the bacon out, dude, every time I pull the bacon out, NQ goes for it. And I can't tell you how many times it's worked. It's only not worked once. I'm like 5 out of 6 times on the bacon. Oh, W's in the chat, you guys. If you took that, that was a damn near perfect reversal trade on NQ. Damn near perfect. That was at least an A minus, A almost damn near A plus setup. W's in the chat if you took that. Yeah, good, Will. Good. Man, it was a good trade. Heard of the rainbow unicorn strat? No. I can only imagine. Small amount in time of 2 W's? Yeah. Yeah, that was a good trade, you guys. That was really solid. I spotted that from across the room, and we made it happen. That was awesome. Let's see what we are on the account. Oops, why did I do that? Let's see what the totals are. Look, 2,300. Let's share in the disc later. Yeah, look at that, 2,300 on the freaking on the account, dude. Oh, so good, so good. Yeah. Yeah, let's go, Elvis. Man, this thing might continue all the way up, which is fine. It didn't matter. I bagged the profits. Honestly, sometimes you just have to grab the profits and be done. Like, I don't mind. I don't mind. We caught like what was it, like 75 or 80 ticks, and then we closed 50 or 80% of the contracts, almost 90% of the contracts, and then the last couple of them can run. And I was like, you know what, I'm going to bring my stop loss not only to break even, but then I brought it a little bit into profit. And then I was like, shoot, let's just go 50 ticks. Which if I had given it more room, it would still be going here, which is fine, you know, which is fine. So I don't mind. I got nothing to complain about. Just wish it was on the Top Step account. I would have taken this on the Top Step account, but I didn't get blocked out for the day. Yeah. So, crazy stuff, my friend. That was a good trade. Really good trade. Sweet. Well, that's it for me. I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. So I will say my proper is Chris. Thanks for being here. Seal as well. Biblical. Morgan. Probably sleeping now. Puck was here for a little bit. Good to see you, my friend. Dean. Stuart. Mr. Algo. Mr. Elvis was here. The man himself. Timbo. Will and Graf. Graph's got the #1 spot for the day. Yeah. Options tomorrow. We're gonna do options tomorrow, and within the first probably 30 minutes or so, we'll do the account giveaway. So you can come in, try to get an account, and then leave in 30 minutes. I hope you stay longer. Hope you stay longer. So, sick. Awesome. Yeah, you bet, Tim. Yeah, good shit, Algo. Algo, what I just did right there, I would love to be able to do that every day. That would be cool to have that set up to do that every day. Yeah. That's one of my setups, right? I learned that from my mentor. But that's one of my setups right there. That setup right there is a beautiful trade on NQ. Oh, I love it so much. I can't even really fault this trade. It looks so good. I'm going to screenshot it. This trade right here was just so good. Bacon strat for the win. All right, I got that. I'm going to drop that on the Discord. Man, this is such a freaking good trade. Look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. What a beautiful reversal. Everything about this trade is beautiful. Right? You got your bottom wicks. You've got a nice top wick on this green candle. This green candle engulfed this one, right? Then it retested and pushed to the moon. Sick. All right, you guys. I appreciate you very much. Thanks. If you don't mind, give it a like on the way out, and let me know. Come back on this exact video, and I have a question of the day for you. And I'm going to ask you about something to do with bacon. So you come back and answer that question, okay? I'd appreciate that comment. Not in the chat, but on a comment on the actual video. So I'd appreciate that. All right, guys. Take care of yourself. See you. Some of you, I'll see you in Asia. And the rest, I will see you for options tomorrow. Options. Awesome.